Hey gang, Jubal here from WizFPV and Alpha Drone. Just going to go through a quick frame assembly video on the Copia 6-inch quad frame available at Alpha Drone. Each kit's going to come with 4 arms, 5mm thick, a base plate that's 3mm thick with press nuts installed already, and a top plate that is 2.5mm thick. We got an SMA mount, a micro camera mount, 8 standoffs at 25mm, 8 M3 by 10mm screws, and 16 8mm by 6mm screws. First thing we're going to do is make some room and put the arms onto the bottom of the frame first. They attach by the 10mm screws. We're going to take those, all 8 of them. We're going to flip the frame over and put the arm right here, line it up with the holes. And you need a 2mm hex driver, and you screw them in. And just go ahead and repeat that step for the rest of the arms. There, the arms are attached now. You can see how flush they sit with the press nuts. Nothing sticking out. Alright, this next part's pretty straightforward. We're gonna put the standoffs on. We're gonna flip it upside down again, and then put your remaining screws in these holes in the bottom of the frame. And then attach your standoffs. Alright, there, now that the standoffs are attached, should have 8 screws left for the top plate. What we're going to do now is put the SMA mount on. So the back is this notched part here, the front has the cutout. So this goes on the back to hold your antenna pigtail. And press that down on there like that. And then we'll move up to the front. And I picked the rounded side with the notched out hole for your camera. Put that on the outside. And the other side goes in like so. And we're almost done. We're just going to add the top plate. Okay, just with the remainder of the screws, we'll button this thing down. Alright, there we go. The frame is assembled.